Assalamu alaikum. In today's topic, we will discuss numbers, part 2, terminating decimals. What are terminating decimals? As terminate means to end, these are the decimal numbers which stop after a certain number of decimal places. They contain a finite number of decimals. For example, 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. It ends after one decimal place. Another example is 7 by 8, which is equal to 0.875. It ends after 3 decimal places. Recurring decimals. These are the decimal numbers which keep repeating digit or group of digits. For example, 137 is divided by 259 is equal to 0.528, 957, 528, 957 and so on. There is a repeated pattern of 528 and 957. So, it is a recurring decimal. It can also be written as 5.528, a dot at the top of 5, and 957, a dot at the top of 7, showing the repeated pattern of these two terms. 1 by 3 is another example of recurring decimals, which is equal to 0.333 and infinite numbers of 3. It can also be written as 0.3 and a small dot at the top of 3, showing the continuous pattern of 3. Even numbers. What are even numbers? Numbers which are divisible by 2. For example, table of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Odd numbers. What are odd numbers? Numbers which are not divisible by 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7. Real numbers. Real numbers are made up of all possible rational and irrational numbers. And rational and irrational numbers are explained in my previous video. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by itself and the number 1. For example, 2, 5, 7, 11. 1 is not a prime number. Factors of 36 will be the numbers which will divide 36 completely. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12 and 18. Another way of finding factors is by LCM. 2, 2, 9, 3, 3 and 3, 1. 2 will be a factor. 2 to the 4, 4 will be a factor. 18, the number 9, the number 3 into 2, 6, 1, and 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and 2 2s are 4, and 4 3s are 12. Multiples. Multiples of a number is the table of that specific number. Multiple of 6 will be the table of 6, 6, 12, 18 and so on. For significant figures, we have to check the first non-zero number from the left side. The first non-zero number is 8. If they ask you to round off it to one significant figure, then we have to check from the left side first non-zero number and then round off the number for that. For example, 8,000 will be the number for one significant figure. $8064 for this two significant figure. Again, check it from the left side and count the non-zero numbers. 1, 2. We will check the third number. It is more than 5, so it will become 8100 for two significant figure. The next example is 0.00508. For rounding off the number to two significant figure, we will check from the left side, we will count the second non-zero number. From the left side, the second non-zero number is 0, and we will round off the 0.00508 by checking this number. As 8 is more than 5, so 1 will be added to it and it will become 0.0051 for two significant figure. Standard form. The standard form is a into 10 raised to power 9, in which a is in between 1 to 10 and n is a negative or a positive integer. For example, 2400 can be written in the standard form by, we will suppose that point is in the place after 0, 1, 2, 3, it will become 2.4. The number of spaces it has moved is 3. As it is moving from the right side to left, it will be a positive 3.